it's not recording. Uh, Again, choose oval, choose from here object drawing on. Now choose from here the gradient, radial gradient, like this. Now if you'd like to color it the same color as in the topic, or you choose your own color. Gradient means we have two different colors. We have two different colors. We have two different colors merged together. This is how it would look like. The inside green, and from the edges the other color merged together. I would like to give it, let's say, another color. Just click on the tab here, just to keep it on the tab, and from here you can decide which color you like to give it, and the brightness and everything from here. ليش مش عاطيني
مستر
البتاع؟ نعم.
لما اجي اخش مستر يقول لي اسوي ساين ان.
يا مستر now you are asking me بعد الحصة أو before the period you can ask. أنا cannot tell you how. Okay, now from here شفت do you see the pencil? This is mean I would like to add for the stroke. From here I would choose the stroke color, and if you don't want the stroke color, just click here and then click on this small box. It will remove the stroke color. Stroke color, you will color. خليني أعمل zoom, or let me make the stroke color more thick like this. هذا هو stroke color around the oval like this. Okay, you can change from the properties its width and how much you want to thick. حتى نوع stroke dash dot. It's up to you. This is my free transform tool. This is my selection tool, V tool. This is my sub selection tool. Now I would like to use in this project the free transform in the meantime, and I'm gonna move it up like this in the top. So هرجع استخدمت oval tool, make object drawing on, then I choose the color, I make it gradient into. If you're following with me, you may choose your own colors. It doesn't matter if you're choosing mine or not. And if you'd like to add your stroke color, go add it. If you don't want a stroke color, comments up to you. I would like to make some decoration again for this, add some windows or whatever. So again, I'm gonna choose the oval. I'm gonna this time remove the stroke. I'm gonna pick here, let's say a red, or I will keep it gradient but red gradient. This is from here, and here I'm gonna make it like, keep it black. Now I will draw inside this shape like this. I made the main window like this. I would like to add some stuff more here. Command, I will choose an oval, and I will choose another color for the below. Let me choose it now. What about, yes, yellow, gray, now draw. شباب, if I'd like to do the same window, حتى ما عندكم مرة I would do Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy and paste. So I'm pasting this حتى يكون نفس الشيب عندي هون. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, moving up, V, up. So I have my own alien spaceship. طيب, I need you to pay attention for this point, and يعني, please pay attention. if I'm using now free transform and I would like to move the spaceship, if I move it, as you can see, those objects that I added didn't move with the spaceship. I need to solve this issue if I need to do animation. I will move it back like this. لحتى اقدر احركهم كلهم مع بعض I have to do one step only, and please pay attention. First select the main, the body. Now use your control on the keyboard or the CTRL. Click on it and click by mouse using every object. Selection now. Okay, no need for CTRL. Just use the free transform like this and select them all together like this. حتى شايفين كيف عمل selection. Don't use the CTRL, just the free transform and move or make big selection. It will select them all together. Go for modify, make a group. See, I can move them together and they become one object like this. I can resize all of them together like this, flip whatever I want. This is for the drawing of the spaceship. I'm gonna put it in the top like this. Now is the time of animation. Please pay attention. For the first time, there's a new way of making animation. So I made it in the right top corner and I would like to move it till here using animation. I'm gonna choose here from my timeline. This is the red line that I will use. I'm gonna go, for example, till frame 45 like this. Click, then do right click, go for insert frame. Do I have to stop to repeat anything else, or is it clear for now?
Clear.
Guys? نعم. الو. يس هادي في شي سؤال؟ حدا عنده سؤال؟
No, Mr. It's clear.
طيب. I need to move this from this corner to this corner, but not by using my mouse, not any kind of interference from me. I will just simply add for it an animation. So first, as I said, I insert a frame to 45. By the way, the much that you insert frame, the longer and more time it will need to reach from here to here. The less you insert frame, it will be faster. You know what I mean لما أعمل animation. يعني يا مستر, I will do now from here right click. I will go for create motion tween. Later on we will learn shape and classic tween. For the meantime, only you have to know the motion tween. So I will click on the motion tween. The selected item cannot be tween. You must convert it to a symbol in order to tween. Do you want to convert? Say okay or yes. So now it's converted to a symbol. I will put this line here. Why I put this here? I will it means I will do something on. I say in frame 5, move this object till here. Now in frame 10, move this object to this place and resize it, make it a little bit bigger. Then move this line into frame 15, and I will move the object to this place, let's say, and make it a little bit bigger like this. Then I will move it till 20, this line, and I will ask to move this place. Let me put it, for example, in 30 right now. Skip and make it bigger and move it a little bit. Then I'm gonna skip about 15 frames and put it at the end of the frame timeline and move this object here and make it more bigger like this. طيب انت حتى مستر شو عملت انت مستر؟ I will show you what happened. If I move this line to the back هيعمل animation like this. If I press enter it is moving according to the path that I gave it from here to here. If you go test scene, wait to launch, okay. Do you see how it is moving right now? شايفين يا شباب؟
Yes.
Yeah.
طيب يا نشوف الأسامي هلا قاعد نسأل أسئلة نشوف مين كان مركز ومين كان ضايع مين كان شربان شاي ومش مركز معي.
Mister,
نعم.
I just tried the other one you have. It also doesn't work. Doesn't open. I tried disabling the connection. Everything. It doesn't work.
اسمعت جايد سؤالك.
I tried the one you sent, the new one, the other one you told me about on the link you sent, and it does not work. It doesn't open even with the connection disabled. It's missing files.
شيء it doesn't work. شو عم يعطيك بالضبط؟
It's saying it's missing files. I can send you the error. I took a picture.
والله غريبة أنت يا كريم. طيب يا رياض.
Yes, mister.
Riyadh, can you name for me what is the name of animation that I used? شنو نوع الانيميشن استخدمته؟ Yes, I'm listening. Riyadh.
Track Martino, maybe.
نعم.
Mr. I don't know.
يا مهند.
Yes, mister.
What was the name of the animation? I said create what? There was 3 animation. I used one of them.
Motion tween.
Yes, motion tween. طيب يا نشوف مين في عندي بالاستوني. مجدي.
Yes, mister.
مجدي انت السؤال بس معلش خارج الموضوع الدرس. انت ساكن في النهضة شيء؟
أيوة ساكن في النهضة.
شفتك مرة في شو اسمها دي؟ في البارك اللي جنب الحديقة جنب البيت. بعرف إذا بيتك هناك.
بيته قدام الحديقة.
شفتك حاولت اطلع فيك بس انت كنت عم تلعب كورة مع رفقاتك مش مركز.
زمان يا مستر كنت ألعب كورة الحين خلاص ما صرت ألعب.
طيب anyway مهدي مجدي عفش مهدي. مجدي في هون إذا شايف my mouse is moving. Do you see my mouse where is moving?
الماوس عندي في الشاشة موقف حقك.
مش مبين الماوس my mouse where it's moving.
لا الشاشة عندي ما
Yeah,
بيشتغل.
Mister, it's not moving. I don't see your cursor moving. as well.
Let me share again.
Also, Mister, I sent the error it was giving me.
طيب كريم هلا بشوف لك اخر الوقت بس اذا ضل معي وقت.
Okay.
مجدي شايف الماوس هلا شايفها؟
إيه
طيب هذا اللي هون شفت هيدي this one.
أيوة شايفة.
Do you know what's the name of this tool?
لا.
مع اني انا اشتغلت عليها كتير. قلت لكم انه هذا tool that I will use it for certain. ما بتعرف. طيب يا كريم
Yes, Mister.
الكلر اللي هون شايفه انت هذا شو اسمه؟ what is the name of this color مش
It's a gradient.
no yes that's what I mean. هذا قصدي انا gradient color. this is gradient color. طيب يا اوكي يا عبد العزيز عبد العزيز عبد العزيز عبد العزيز يا عبد العزيز
Yes, Mister.
ليش طولت ترد؟
Just I was كنت بشبك الميكروفون.
ايه سمعت. طيب يا عبد العزيز كنت مركز بالحصة انت كلها؟ طيب what do you call this here؟ هذا لونه.
This
Yes مش النيم اللي كاتبه هون. هذا اللي هون شايفه إذا if I click here add what do you call this؟ By the way the answer was in front of you in a few seconds before. كان مكتوب قدام منك.
yeah I was in the bathroom. كنت في الحمام.
هلا أنا فرجيتك الجواب بلحظتها هلا وشلته رجعت.
ايه مثلا انا كنت في الحمام ورجعت دوب.
ماشي بس ماشي. اخذ اذن الحمام بس تخش الحمام حبيبي. It's a school normal school.
سوري.
طيب يا اياد عايد مش اياد عايد my super best super student عايد جليدان عايد يعطيك العافية عايد is just joining. طيب فيصل شوك فيصل كمان هادي نعم هادي دمنهوري لا هادي محمد يس
sir.
يس
Yes.
نعم
I didn't say anything.
ما انا حاس والله صوتك عم يروح ويجي ما عم بفهم ولا كلمة.
Mister, I didn't say anything.
لا في I think هادي دمنهوري هون ولا لا؟
I think so here.
طيب محمد العلي.
Yeah, Mister. I wanted to answer.
You want to answer?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the answer of this one here? What is the name of this?
Layer.
Yes, layer. And I'm asking this question, maybe and some of you may consider stupid, but this is the only way that I will know that you're paying attention and I will grab your attention. طيب شباب I don't know مش عارف إذا أنتوا have installed the Adobe Flash or not. اللي يقدر يعمل install okay it's fine. اللي ما قدر يعني أنا راح أحاول هالويك أند أشوف كمان versions تاني مع إنه those versions were working fine with me يا كريم. ما بعرف شو المشكلة عندك أنت. الأدب
I think it's not just me. I asked some people, it was also giving them the same error when they installed like yesterday and the last week.
غريبة في تلميذ امبارح of other grade 9 he download and install it بس الكراك كان مش نازل معاه.
I don't know.
في تلميذ معي حتى على الواتساب كان يتابعني. انت ليش مش عم يفتح معك مش عارف. doesn't preview كده. الأدب فلاش رح شوف versions تاني. I think I have other versions بس مش عارف اشوف انا الفيرجن بس انت كريم ما بعرف صراحه
Mister, I think I know why. The language it's like this for the startup, but the program it will be English. This happened to me too, but when I put continue, it became English. The program.
But Mr. I can screen share. It's in Spanish.
This it should be from there when he chose English language.
Me too. This happened. I kept the language the same, and then it became English.
My best option in my free time I have to uninstall my Adobe Flash and to start recording my screen and install it. Then after installing, I will have to upload the video to show you how to install. Then it seems that you're having a big problem to get this. I will do install for the right version, and I will make sure this version that I install it to be uploaded again to the shell link. هلا
Okay,
لقدر
Mr.
whoever have was able to install it, please I would like you to send for me in the weekend this شو بيقولوا this class assignment اللي عملتها هلا.
So the same thing but with different color or?
باك يا كريم أنا I will be honest with you. I don't care about colors. I don't care about designs as long as I do care about the animation that you did it right. Even the path. If you'd like to do a certain path, you would like to give it another way, maybe start from the below and go up.
Okay.
The animation that you did it, you've used the concept of the lesson صح. Okay. حتى if you'd like to add more animation, كمان I would be glad. I don't mind, as long as you are understanding the lesson. And بتمنى تكونوا عم تفهموا لأنه it could be any time that they will say come to school and we might start at 10. By the way, the ministry is studying the situation. It will not be totally at the school. It will be blended. I don't know the meaning. If you know the meaning of the word blended, some days will be at the school, some days will be online.
Yeah.
So if they said come to school, the moment I realized that if you were with me or not. Like I called him a lot. Faisal Shok, I called him a lot, but they did not answer me, and even they didn't raise their hand. So Holy Aid و Faisal, maybe they logged into the system بس خلص ماشي عم يفطروا يمكن عم يتمشوا بس مش مركزين معي مش موجودين. So those
أنا
students
موجودة مستر بس مستر أنا ما عندي لابتوب يتحمل أنا بالقوة أفتح جوجل باللابتوب حقي.
طيب لما جاوبنا قبل شوي لما أسد
دوبني جيت يا مستر أنا.
دوبك جيت؟
لا أول كنت موجود بس رحت الحمام الله يكرمك.
فيصل حمام لك لغيرك you need to ask permission. It's a school day. طيب أنا لما أعرف أنت بالحمام خلاص I will not ask you. هلا عايد لسه حدا ما جاوبني. عايد ممكن يكون نايم مثلا فتح اونلاين ونايم ما بعرف انا I'm not sure and you're not opening your cameras to know if you're with me or not. ما بعرف صراحة يا شباب بس I'm trying my best to help you بس need to help me.
مستر بالقوة بس اللابتوب حقي ما يتحمل.
والله
لا كذا يومين إن شاء الله يجيب لابتوب جديد.
إيش لابتوبك؟
دل أي مدري إيش اسمه دل.
هلا تتناقشوا إيش لابتوبك. نعم كريم.
Can you show where the hold on it's called the motion tween. Can you show where it is again?
Yes, sure. I'm gonna make remove here. This is from where you can do right click, create motion tween. Okay. تضغط على motion tween.
Yes.
This will appear in different color. It will turn from gray into bright blue. Then you will choose which frame you would like this object to move. So I'm gonna pick. Let's say I'm gonna change its time, make it 10, and make it move on the 10 till here. هتشوف في small green line. This is the path that it will take starting from here till here. If I would like to 20, I would like it to move like this. And on 30, I would like it to be like this. And on 45, I would like it to land here. I'll make it more bigger like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
if I do now enter, you can click enter or you can move this من هون انت. But I prefer to test it like
Enter.
this.
Oh,
This
test
is test
scene.
scene.
Okay. Thanks, miss.
This is how it will move using motion twin. Okay.
Okay, mister. Thanks.
هذا عنده سؤال غير كريم؟
No,
Questions.
mister, I understood.
هلا today lesson was easy يعني بس once we add more layers هذا السكرين تبعت
This is the basics, so we can know how to use it. Yes.
أحسن. Installer cannot connect and download the needed configuration files more. Please. Karim, the message that you are displaying in front of me انت مسحت الفيرجن القديم اول شيء؟
Yes.
And they usually once في conflict ب two setups بيعمل يعطيك المسج جيدة.
Okay, maybe there is. Maybe I need to restart so it removes the program.
جرب اعمل ريستارت وجرب اعمل انستول مرتين. اوكي. شو كنت بدي اقول انا؟ نسيت شو كنت بدي اقول. طيب. For next period, yes. And then later on we could do more layers here and do more animation and every layer separate animation. Every layer have a separate animation. وكل واحد يمكن يكون عنده another more than يعني could have shape tween, could have classic tween, could have frame by frame. But today and basically ما بعرف يمكن next period I will only give for one layer. In the meantime, just pay attention for the layer by layer.
So
by the way, you can do duplicate layers like this. You have same as area place اسمه spaceship. ممكن تمسك هيدا تحطها هون. Now let's make play. See, they are moving together, and I can. This is from the here. هيدي. I will change its path from this point. أغيرها. I will use this to move, change its path. So I'm using right here the sub selection, and this is intersection point. انت شايفين على frame هون.
Yes.
كل frame
Both of them go at the same time.
Grab
and
change direction like this. فيني غير اتجاه تبعه.
Mister, how do I check the animation? How did you do it? I forgot.
To check, you can click enter. It will play alone, or just go control. Just click test scene, test movie هدي later on. Test scene. انت عندك تستعمل تضغط test scene.
I have a question out of the lesson. Can I ask?
Yes, go ahead, ask.
Instead, if I have a photo and I want to change the color background, how could I?
هادي نحاس والله صوتك كأنك عم تحكيني يعني من الزاوية. Are you using the mic or using what?
I'm using my mic laptop.
طب حاول تقرب your face to the mic laptop so I can listen to you in a better way.
Mister, I'm
No.
asking if I want to change the photo background, how could I make it?
Back?
Yes, background.
The background? The background?
Yes, the color. So if I want
the color, if the color is uneasy. من هون الcolor. شايف هون الcolor stage بتختار انت color stage if you want to add a color stage. هلا if you'd like to add a photo you have to add a new layer. ليش راحت هيدا؟ add a new layer then you have to go file هتعمل import to stage or to library a photo.
yes, a photo then okay.
حتى تعمل براوز اذا انت الفوتو عندك موجوده على البي سي. هلا preparing to import. if you want to add a photo أما color stage just click from
No, photo and I want to change the background after it.
بس ليش أنا عندي الآن okay from here هلا هون okay فتح عندي أنا let me check a photo for example this open هلا أنت في شغلة بدك to take in consideration.
Yes.
First you have to resize it like this by using free transform or فيك تختار the width and the height من هون according to the size of the stage.
Yes.
لا بس في شغلة تفهمك إياه. خلينا resize like this. طيب أنت شايف هلا الفوتو it's over my objects. Okay.
Yes.
How I can solve this? تعرف كيف؟
Yes, Mr. How?
It's easy. Just remove the two layers that you have. Just move this alien and make the last layer on هو background like this. خلي say for example this is a car like this. The last layer من تحت.
The one on the top comes above
And the one on the
one
top
on
are
the
the two
bottom.
objects like this. يفضل if you were not going to use this background تعملها lock حتى ما تعملها movement ولا تعملها أي شيء editing. حيكون شغلك بس on this. Okay.
Okay. What should I do?
Okay. See you guys. If you don't have a question, you may leave.
Okay, Mr. Thank you.
Mister, I finished. I did an animation.
طيب